A4D Skyhawk, or DA-101 as the export version is called, is an extremely small, high-performance, high-payload military attack bomber. The Skyhawk is so small, it can be stored on carriers without folding its wings. So fast that it can operate as a fighter. And so powerful, it carries a bigger striking load farther and faster than any airplane of its size. It is only 39 feet in length, with a wingspan of 27.5 feet and a height of 15 feet. The weight of the aircraft is 15,000 pounds. It is powered by one Wright J-65 turbojet with a thrust of 7,700 pounds. The Skyhawk is the result of Douglas's long experience in the designing and building of all types of combat aircraft. Its revolutionary design is the outcome of a new Douglas design philosophy. It was this reasoning that brought the Skyhawk into being. It was this departure that furnishes more performance per pound of airplane. One of the first steps taken was to simplify and conventionalize the fuselage structure for ease of field maintenance and for ease of manufacture. As well, considerable weight saving was effected through the reduction in the number of joints in these structural members. A novel design approach was used on the cockpit. All internal stiffeners were eliminated, and the external skin used as the strengthening agent. This approach lessens the overall weight and furnishes maximum internal space with minimum external shape. Another example is the method of attaching the wing and landing gear to the fuselage through the use of an attach fitting integrally machined with the spars. However, a classical example of obtaining the highest possible utility from the structural design is the wing. An obvious proof of the compounding value of the weight-saving program is displayed in the small, modified delta wing surface. Because of the reduction in airframe weight, it became possible to reduce the wing size. An added dividend because of its small size was the elimination of the need for wing folding mechanism. Needless to state, this elimination created an additional saving in weight, plus the added factor of considerable savings in costs and personnel. To further save space with resultant weight reduction, the design of the small wing provided for the use of the internal wing structure for integral fuel tanks. Thus, a secondary function was achieved without disturbing the primary purpose. Another example is the use of strong points in fuselage design to provide attach points for high-load carrying devices. The efficient structural design permitted the arresting hook to be carried directly into the fuselage longerons. Again, the result was effective weight saving and lower cost. Reliability of structures and components was given major consideration during the concentration on lightweight design. Very high reliability percentage was achieved through simplicity rather than by excessive strengthening practices. It should be noted that concurrent with structural weight elimination, all internal systems and their components were miniaturized and thus lightened without loss of performance capability and with further savings in costs. The ejection system incorporates all the necessary safety features proven during Douglas's long experience. The system was designed to be especially lightweight, weighing approximately 50% less than systems in general use, and is proven to be extremely rugged and capable of withstanding high G-loads. The Douglas-designed system is fully automatic and provides reliable escape even from ground level. And in addition, the system contributes much to the aircraft performance through its light weight, and as well provides for a low maintenance rate and maximum reliability through the greatly simplified design and mechanical function. As a result, the A4D Skyhawk suffered no strength restrictions because of these economies and size reductions. The aircraft has, in fact, emerged as an extremely rugged end product, a fact which has been proven during actual operational conditions. Function has ruled rather than redundant bulk. Seeing is believing, The Skyhawk is a small aircraft, but immediately the question arises, what about the payload? Here is the tremendous arsenal carried by the Skyhawk. Here are weapons for every tactical situation, as well as tools for mobility and range when desired. Here is a payload available in single-type loading or in combined loading. The versatility, the interchangeability, assures the right weapons for a given job. Smaller weapons are arranged under the strong, rugged wing. Lightweight bombs, rockets, napalm tanks, and gun installations. To facilitate centerline under-fuselage loading of external stores, the landing gear was designed with extraordinary ground clearance. This permits the larger bombs to be carried in a position that avoids asymmetrical flight characteristics. In addition, the high ground clearance permits the pilot to land the aircraft with these large stores when a mission is aborted or the stores unused. An excellent example of the benefits of the added ground clearance is the capability of attaching large fuel tanks along the fuselage center line. This enables the Skyhawk to be converted into an in-squadron tanker aircraft. The underside tanks and associated transport equipment greatly extend the jet squadron operation. In addition, it permits rapid deployment and furnishes the opportunity for a highly mobile force wherever long-distance moves are required. The refueling system is a complete powered system capable of containing and transferring 300 gallons of jet fuel. More fuel can be drawn from the aircraft main tanks should additional supply be required. The tremendous economy inherent because of this innovation is readily apparent. The high cost of maintaining expensive tanker aircraft is avoided, and the lag time usually required to schedule and arrange rendezvous with the tankers is non-existent. Thus, it can be seen that economy is foremost in the Skyhawk. Its small size, its tremendous payload, its versatility of external loading, all lend toward making it the most practical ground support attack bomber for the coming years. With the A4D, or DA-101, there is speed, range, versatility, and mighty firepower. It is economical in operation and has a high combat availability. It is the airplane that startled the aviation world when it appeared, and has maintained its position as the most versatile attack bomber in the world today. It is the mighty midget, the Douglas Skyhawk.
Hey, well, I hope you enjoyed that video, Dave and Mom and Dad. And here I am at a museum in Cape May, New Jersey. And there are all sorts of fighter aircraft everywhere. There's a F-14 Tomcat. Look at that. Is that a P-28? Looks like a P-37. Anyway, lots of fun stuff. And hope you enjoyed the video of the A4. Bye.